Quick sneak peek. They're colorful now. And because I've been lazy for a few days. But so far, everything is still alive. They still look pretty, even in the night. Lots of blossom tomorrow. Squash blossom. And my persimmon is ripening. But they're already sweet. Oh, this one's really good already. But I still have some in the fridge that I haven't eaten yet. So we're gonna wait on those. And then my beans, they're flowering now. 2 more months. Pomegranate. The leaf is gonna fall out soon. I transferred the mulberry here for now because I'm still lazy doing this one. So for now, it stays in the pot. My tangerine, they're already ripening too. You see? It's turning orange now. I guess this will go first. And then next will be mandarin. This will be next. But this will be a while. Probably December and so. But it's also turning now too. See, the color is changing. So I guess soon. My most prized possession. My pomegranate. These are my fortune. My plants. The blood orange still looks happy. I'm excited to taste the fruit on this. So, the leaves I harvested before the worms eat them.